If you're someone who loves keeping your car safe and capturing every moment on the road, today's video is for you. Whether you're a commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just looking to upgrade your car's security, you'll want to stick around. So let's jump in and see which dash cam takes the top spot. Starting off at number 5, we have the Arifayaz Dash Cam. This isn't your average dash cam. The Arifayaz Dash Cam records in true 4K, using a wide-angle lens to minimize blind spots and deliver crystal clear road scenes. Every detail is captured. License plates, road signs, and even that tiny scratch someone left on your car. Of course, seeing everything up front is great, but what about the back? No problem. This dash cam has you covered from both angles. With a front 4K camera at 160 degrees and a rear 1080p camera at 150 degrees, this dash cam covers everything. Front, back, and in between. Whether it's reckless drivers, unexpected stops, or an attempted hit and run, you've got a second set of eyes watching 24/7. We know accidents don't just happen in broad daylight. That's why this dash cam comes with advanced night vision technology, capturing clear and detailed video even in low light or bad weather conditions. No more grainy, useless footage. Now, here's where it gets even better. If your car experiences sudden shakes, bumps, or collisions, the dash cam automatically locks that footage, making sure it never gets overwritten. That means solid proof for insurance claims or disputes. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly access your footage on your phone, download it, and share it whenever you need to. And you never have to worry about running out of space. Loop recording ensures that old footage gets overwritten, except for locked emergency clips. Coming in at number 4, we have the REDTIGER Dash Cam. The REDTIGER Dash Cam records in true 4K upfront and 2.5K HD at the rear, giving you some of the sharpest footage you'll find on a dash cam. Have you ever had an accident and thought to yourself, I wish I had a second pair of eyes? Well, now you do. With a 170-degree wide-angle front camera and a 140-degree rear camera, this dash cam covers more road than ever before. No more blind spots, just full protection. This camera comes with advanced night vision technology and wide dynamic range technology. So even in low lighting or tricky weather conditions, you get bright, clear footage. Have you ever needed to prove where you were during an accident? The REDTIGER Dash Cam has a built-in GPS that automatically tracks your location, speed, and route, which is great for insurance claims or just reliving an epic road trip. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can access your footage instantly on your phone. No cables, no hassle. And this is where the REDTIGER really outshines the competition. Instead of a lithium battery, it has a supercapacitor, which means no overheating, no explosions, and no melting. It can handle extreme heat and freezing cold, and it lasts twice as long as battery-powered dash cams. Are you worried about someone hitting your parked car? The REDTIGER Dash Cam has 24-hour parking surveillance. If it detects a collision, bump, or suspicious activity, it automatically records and locks the footage, so you have proof when you need it. And at number 3, we have the WOLFBOX G840S. Let's start with the game changer. This dash cam replaces your rear view mirror with a massive 12-inch full touchscreen. No more struggling with blind spots or foggy mirrors. Ever tried to read a number plate from a blurry dash cam? Not with this one. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, while the rear cam delivers clear, detailed footage, even in low light. And with dual cameras, you covered from every angle. And safety starts with visibility. The front camera has a 170-degree ultra-wide lens, while the rear camera captures 140 degrees. So you get full coverage of what's happening around you. More visibility equals fewer accidents. Here's where it gets really cool. This isn't just a dash cam, it's your parking assistant. When you shift into reverse, the mirror screen automatically switches to the rear camera with parking guidelines. Say goodbye to parking stress. And if you need proof of your speed or location, this camera has you covered. With a built-in GPS, this dash cam records your exact route and speed, protecting you from false claims or disputes. But what happens when your storage fills up? This dash cam automatically locks footage when it detects an impact. Plus, with loop recording, it continuously records without running out of space. No more manually deleting old videos. At number 2, we have the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. The ROVE R2-4K records in Ultra HD, meaning that you'll never struggle to read a number plate or see important details in your footage. Whether it's daytime, nighttime, rain or sunshine, you'll get clear, sharp visuals every time. Here's what sets this dash cam apart: the Starvis 2 sensor. This advanced low light technology delivers clearer, brighter night footage than most dash cams on the market. No more grainy, unusable videos in the dark. The ROVE R2-4K doesn't just watch the road ahead. It comes with a full HD rear camera, giving you full coverage. Whether it's reckless drivers, parking accidents, or unexpected road incidents, this dash cam has your back. The ROVE R2-4K has built-in 5G Wi-Fi with up to 20 megabytes per second download speeds. That means you can instantly access, view, and share your videos straight from the ROVE app. Have you ever needed proof of where you were or how fast you were going? The built-in GPS automatically records your location and speed, so you'll always have undeniable evidence if needed. And with loop recording, you'll never run out of space. The dashcam automatically overwrites old footage unless it detects an impact. Even when you're not in your car, the ROVE R2-4K is on guard. The 24-hour parking mode detects motions and impacts while parked, automatically recording any suspicious activity. No more worrying about hit and runs or vandalism. And the number 1 spot goes to the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. While most dash cams give you a narrow view of the road, this one stands out with an impressive 180-degree wide-angle lens. This means you capture more lanes, more surroundings, and more action, ensuring that nothing gets left out of frame. Imagine this: you're driving and you see something worth recording. With the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, you don't need to take your hands off the wheel. Just say, "Hey Garmin, save video," or "take a picture," and it instantly does it for you. Completely hands-free, completely safe. You know that nervous feeling when you leave your car parked somewhere sketchy? Well, worry no more. The Parking Guard feature monitors activity around your parked car, and if it detects an incident, it sends a video clip notification straight to the Garmin Drive app on your phone. And thanks to the live view feature, you can check in on your car from anywhere using your phone. It's like having a personal security guard for your vehicle 24/7. This dashcam isn't just about recording, it's about keeping you safe. With forward collision warnings, if you're driving too close to a vehicle ahead, the dashcam will alert you before it's too late. And if you start drifting off the road or across center lines, you'll get an instant warning to keep you on track. Ever been stuck in traffic and zoned out? This dashcam notifies you when the traffic starts moving, so you're always ready to roll. And with loop recording, you never have to worry about running out of space. And if there's a sudden impact or accident, the built-in G sensor detects it instantly and locks the footage, so it's saved permanently for insurance claims or disputes. My top pick has to be the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. With its voice control and hands-free convenience, my driving and safety has never been easier. If you're interested in checking out any of these dash cams, we've included links to all the products in the description below. If you do decide to use those links, we do earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It just helps us support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video of the greatest and latest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.